Hey guys, Joshua Peterson Electric. Want to do a video for you here. Try to do one a week. This is just about September 2019. So we're in the 2017 NEC code. Articles that apply, pretty much chapter 250 on grounding, 300 on direct burial and wiring method, 110, article 220.42 that deals with ampacities, and probably 422 under equipment. Anyways, so here's what's going on. Just give them a nice overview. The gas guy had to put in a trench, and they nicked a wire here. So I have to put in a splice kit here with my torch, and we're burying this with him. So cement's gonna go over all of this. We probably could have scratched it in, but I dug it down about 14 inches. Popped it up. On both sides, I've got 2 hots and a switch leg. Over there, 1 hot and a switch leg. So coming back to the panel, merging out of grade, and I've got 3 conductors here for UF cable. Yeah, so pretty much when you backfill, make sure there's not junk in the trench. This is considered debris or junk. Over here, I think they're doing a fridge. They haven't even given me any drawing other than let's follow the gas guy. So I've done enough of these that I pull extra wire to be safe. But yeah, so this is the view of the backyard. It's not large at all. One thing to keep in mind is the power was put underground a couple years ago, coming straight out. There's the red tape. As you follow it, there was red tape, and then the feeders are there. So thank God they're actually deeper than you think. So we didn't hit anything, which I made sure. Yeah, so if you have any questions on that, I don't mind. But if you're asking me how to do, I don't answer those questions unless it's an electrician. So, all right, guys, thanks for joining us.